Hey guys, sorry I gotta clean this window, but the squirrels were just having a little tussle over the bird seed out there. Couple of deer. It's gonna start snowing anytime here, coming in from the west. We're predicted to get 3 to 6 inches, so these guys are getting some calories before the storm hits. It snowed a bit last night, probably got like 2 inches. The roads aren't too bad right now. Hopefully they have everything plowed out by the time I gotta go to work tomorrow afternoon. Hope you're all having a great one.